Hi, this video is going to be on narration. Now we have different types of narrators used in each piece of text we have, and in poetry as well, specifically we often refer to them as the speaker, but we can still apply the narration rules and understandings to poetry as well. So first person narrator is someone who uses I. Now this often is associated with a particular viewpoint, or like the narrator has a bias because we're only getting their perspective per se. And then we have a second person narrator, which we can see through the use of you. Now this is perhaps less common than a first or third person narrator, and it's more often used in, say, if you're giving instructions to someone. It's not as common to find in literature per se. And then we of course have third person narrator, which will use they, she, or he. And in comparison to the first person narrator, this has an air of being more objective and perhaps less biased, even though this isn't necessarily true for each of these. This is more of a common association. And also it's important to note we have instances of the omniscient narrator, and we can often see this through the third person. So this is when we have the narrator who's outside of the story. And then we have the unreliable narrator, which is the I, where we are invited to question the narrator to see if we believe their account of the story. Thanks for listening.